In this video, I'm going to show you how you can undertake your online artwork approvals or proofing process using Hoops. So as you can see on my job board, my latest job, specifically the artwork column, is needs proof, which means myself, one of my team members or my graphic designer needs to undertake the proofing process. I can also see this with my saved view because I have filtered down all of the information here to just show me which jobs need a proof. So if I click on proof, I can just see it's these two jobs that require the proof, which means my graphic designer can go ahead and just create the proofs for those specific jobs. But what I'm going to do is jump into this individual job specifically because I'm going to undertake the proofing process. So I'm going to click on proofs here. And what we're going to do is either add a previous proof from all of the proofing files we have saved against your customer specifically, or you can upload a new proof. In this case, I'm simply going to upload a new proof so you can see what that looks like. And in this case, I'm simply going to grab my proof and drag it and drop it across into this box. Now you can drag and drop as many proofs as you would like based on obviously what is relevant for that specific job. Now I'm going to link it to the product. In this case, because there's only one product that we are undertaking, I'm linking it specifically just to the t-shirt. I'm now going to save that. It is now under waiting approval. If you needed to go through a further internal proving process prior to sending this to the customer, your graphic designer may want to change your status, for example, to ready for review, so that it alerts you and you and your team know that prior to sending this proof across, you must review this internally first. Jump back into the proofs. You can obviously go ahead and download it, scroll over and view the proof. And if this is good to go, you can now send this to your customer for quick and easy approval. Now you can email and or SMS this across to your customer. Benefit of SMS is it has a 98% open rate. Your customers don't need to be on their email or have access to their computer. They can literally have an instantaneous experience with your business and you can get proof approval as quickly as possible. We're now going to send this across to the customer for approval. As the customer, I'm going to jump into my email, open this. Everything is always reflective of your business. We're going to click and view the proofs. Now, the awesome thing about Hoops is we allow your terms and conditions to pop up if you would like. This box is completely optional, so it's up to you if you would like this to pop up or not. Benefit being that it showcases your terms and conditions, and should the customer accept, they are obviously covered for everything that they then go and approve moving forward as well. So they can now view the proofs. As you can see, this is how the proof is displayed. If there was multiple, they can scroll between the multiple proofs. It showcases the product description in detail. They can approve or reject. Should they reject, they can leave feedback to which you'll be notified of as well. And again, they can approve and reject regardless of which proof they are going through as well. So they will have a different status for each different proof as opposed to one status for the entirety of the proofs. So for this specific proof and the only proof that is there, we are going to go ahead and approve it because everything looks great. What I'm going to do is quickly show you that you'll be notified of your email as well when these proofs have been approved. And also, as you can see, when I jump back into the proof, this is now under approved status, and the approved status has changed here as well. If this was rejected, it would fall under the rejected status. You would click on the notes here. It would outline all of the feedback so that you can go ahead and undertake those changes, send it across for approval again, and you completely eliminate any back and forth email communication between you and your customer. Everyone has an amazing experience. We have phenomenal feedback from our customers who love this proofing process. Now, as you can see here, this status has obviously been changed based on the customer interaction with that proof. And I also have an automation set against this specific status that should the proof change to approved, it's automatically going to change my artwork column to proof approved, which is actually automatically updating my production column to ready for production. So you can completely streamline all of the processes once the customer has interacted with your communication as well. Now, this job board is completely customizable to build out however you would like. You can add various columns, place them in any position you would like, drag and drop, save specific views, and then you can apply automations to automatically fire off email or SMSs to your customer, letting them know of any information you would like. And you can also notify your internal team as well. So all of those automations are available in Hoops to completely streamline all of your processes to make them fast, easy, efficient, and also incredibly accurate, because we know that no job ever exists in a single status. The ability to be able to track and manage every aspect of that job at any given time is incredibly important, which is why we specifically built Job Board. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks a lot.